There are 1,000 ways to make money. Sources of income and information about them is infinite today. So why is it that we are not making any serious money? Now we are doing all right, we are fine, we are making ends meet. But I mean actually building wealth, creating something to call your own. Most of us are not doing that. And I had to sit to find out why is it that a handful of people make crazy money, but the rest of us are just watching, waiting as if a miracle would happen. And here's what I landed on. A major chunk of our day today is spent online. With every single scroll, we see a new hustle or a new hack or a new "this changed my life" moment. Someone talking about their dropshipping, somebody saying how they have quit their 9 to 5, someone has launched a course, and they all tell their journey and we watch it and we feel like we are learning something, but we are not. It's not knowledge, it's just content. Knowledge changes what you do next. Content just helps you decide what you watch next. And I was there, I was overwhelmed with all the options, not knowing where to start. But here's a system that actually worked for me. Number 1, sit down and write 1, maybe 2 things that you're willing to try. Not all the ideas that you saw online, but just 1 or 2 that you are willing to make the effort for. It can be dropshipping, it can be a course, it can be freelancing, it can be opening a restaurant, anything that you think that you'll be able to put the work for. Because here's what nobody tells you, none of these are easy. Everything is a slow burn. There is work in everything. You will be investing your time, money, and effort. Every overnight success that you see on the internet has got a decade of grinding behind it. So stop looking for the easy way. Just pick the one that you are willing to grind for day and night. And then number 2, find people who have actually done it. And not just watching their reels or their content, actually studying them. Find out whatever information you can find on them. Go down the rabbit hole. 24 hours of research on a person, on a thing, will give you much more knowledge than days of scrolling. And where you can, reach out, ask questions. Find out what is that one thing about that person that makes them different from others. And number 3, piece things together and write down the steps to achieve. You would have 100 gaps when you start. That's normal. You do not need the whole map when you're starting. You just need to figure out your first step. And the first couple of steps you take may not be in the right direction, but that's okay. It's all part of the learning process. Figure out whatever messy way you can start. The point is just to start. It doesn't have to be clean, because the rest of it you will only be able to figure out once you start moving in that direction. That's it. If you do these 3 things, you are already halfway there. But doing these things, narrowing down to 1 or 2 things we want to do, study the people who have done it, and figuring out the first few steps are the unglamorous bits that most people would not even make the effort to do. And that's what can set you apart. So let's stop looking for more ways to make money. Stop being blown away by everything we see online, telling ourselves that we are researching. Just focus on one of the tried and tested ways you already know. Pick your one thing. Stop distracting yourself and actually start working on it. And then you'll figure out that success actually lives much closer to home than we think. I'll see you in the next one.